The same people that wants my guns, my weapons, my firearms. You think they gonna guarantee my safety? These are the same people that told Gaddafi, you give up your nuclear program and we'll welcome you with open arms. We'll treat you equal. We'll love you. Next thing you knew, the CIA staged a coup, staged some shit. NATO came in, bombed his ass up. They caught him, beat him in the street, killed him. After he gave up his nuclear programs and his nuclear weapons and stopped making them and shit, then they attacked him. So you mean to tell me you want me to give up my weapons and you go protect me? But you won't even give me no money so I can take care of me and my family. But you go protect me because you care so much about me and you love me. Yeah, knock it off, bitch.